We are looking at how to pronounce these names as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing celebrity names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So how do you pronounce his name? Well, he's French and American as well, so there are different ways of pronouncing his name. His name definitely looks and feels very French. In French it is said as Timothée Chalamet, Timothée Chalamet. Now in English it is said, of course, as Timothée Chalamet, Timothée Chalamet, but if you want to make it sound a little more French, you can say it as Timothée Chalamet. And now you know it all, right? Timothée Chalamet, Timothée Chalamet, or Timothée Chalamet. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting celebrity names that many mispronounce. You want any more? After watching this, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.